fast like me, that today I am going to show you a new recipe, a new version of poha which is called as Sushila. So let's start making it. So to make the Sushila, I have taken 1 big onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, some coriander leaves, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1 spoon of peanuts, and 1 spoon of pandharpuri dal which I have crushed. And then I have taken 150 grams of murmura which I am going to soak in water. Now I am going to wash the murmura. You have to let it soak for 2 to 3 minutes. First, in a kadhai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. After this, mustard seeds. After that, I will add the green chilies. Curry leaves. The peanuts. Now we have to roast the groundnuts. Next we have to add the onion. We have to fry it until its color turns pink. Next I am going to add turmeric powder, sugar and salt. Mix them properly. Next add the soaked murmura, and next add the roasted and crushed pandharpuri dal and some lemon juice. Then mix it properly. Add a few coriander leaves and cover it with a lid. Now our Sushila is ready. Friends, this recipe was awesome, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.